This smart one-piece toilet combines an integrated bidet seat with automatic flushing, creating a very hands-off and hygienic bathroom experience once it is installed correctly. Approach lighting, a motorized lid that opens and closes on its own, and hands-free flushing make daily use feel surprisingly luxurious and convenient, especially in the middle of the night. The bidet functions cover rear and front cleansing with adjustable water pressure and a self-rinsing stainless steel wand, so cleaning feels thorough without needing toilet paper for every visit. A heated seat, warm water wash, and built-in warm air dryer keep you comfortable in colder months and reduce the shock of sitting on a cold ceramic surface first thing in the morning. The deodorizing system quietly pulls air through a carbon filter to cut down on lingering odors, which is a noticeable upgrade over a standard toilet in a smaller bathroom. Its chair height design and elongated bowl make sitting down and standing up easier for many adults, while the efficient siphonic flush uses relatively little water without sacrificing waste clearing power.